If you want to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it confidently and safely. Whether you need a short break from social media, want to reduce distractions, or just want to step away for a while without permanently deleting your account, this is the right tutorial for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture. This opens the main account menu where Facebook keeps your settings and account controls. From the menu, click Settings and Privacy. A small list of options will appear, and from there, click Settings. This takes you into your account settings area where you can manage your profile, privacy, and account preferences. Once you're in settings, look for Account Center. Facebook has moved a lot of account management options into this section, so this is the main place you'll use for deactivation and ownership controls. Click Account Center to continue. Inside Account Center, click Personal Details. This area contains information related to your account identity and account management options. You'll see several choices here, and the one we need is the section for controlling your account status. Next, click Account Ownership and Control. This is where Facebook keeps the tools for things like deactivation, deletion, and other account access settings. It's an important section, so take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct option. Now click Deactivate Account. Facebook may show you additional information explaining what happens when you deactivate your account. In most cases, deactivation means your profile will be hidden and people won't be able to search for you, but your data is not permanently removed. This makes it a good option if you only want to take a temporary break. After that, click Continue. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your decision and may give you a few prompts about why you're deactivating or whether you want to keep Messenger active. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and choose the options that match what you want. If Facebook asks for your password or another confirmation step, enter the required details to finish the process. Once you complete the final confirmation, your account will be temporarily deactivated, and that's it. You've now learned how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account using the updated account settings path. If you ever want to come back, you can reactivate your account later by logging in again, depending on Facebook's current rules and settings. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear, easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.